In front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Power, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here you need to open security, and here just click on Virgin Mobile, which is your SIM card. And you can smoothly change the PIN by tapping on change SIM PIN. And now enter the current one. Once you enter the current one, tap on OK to confirm it, and then go with the new one. Re-enter it just to confirm, and that's it. As you can see, it has been already changed, so that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.